Looks like the worst is still to my west. I think these are weakening below severe because I'm not under a warning yet. The western side of my county is in a warning, but I'm not. So I'm thinking that these are probably weakening now. This is a... Whoa. This is a line of storms that began near Kansas City about, I want to say, midnight. And it has progressed around down to the east, down there Interstate 70, and here it is here in St. Charles County. And they just canceled one of the warnings from the south side. Yeah, I think these are weakening below severe limits. Hopefully this line gets out here quick because my mom's supposed to drive to work in about, let's see, about an hour. So hopefully this gets out of here before then, because when she drives she can't see well. So hopefully this line will get through here quick. And yep, weakened below. That's what I figured. They just said in the radio here. Weakened below severe limits. That's right, because they would have had me on warning by now. It's been a wild night. I've gotten no sleep. I've been tracking this all night. They said it was gonna pretty much be dead by the time I get down here, but I think it just, the cap likely broke, which I'm surprised because the south winds have not been that high. They've only been like at 10 miles per hour. So I'm surprised that they were able to hold. Even here. I started this video because we had a big crack of thunder. Oh, here comes one. I don't think I missed. I'm gonna peer from the window. I'm gonna make sure I didn't miss any alerts from a different station. Notice was issued. Okay. I'm just checking. I think the worst of the storm has passed, so has it. As I was about to say, when I started this video, is we had a big crack of thunder that came over my house a little while ago. So that's why I started it, and then I kept watching and the lightning was continuing, but here we go. Oh no, what's that? Something just got issued. Yeah, that thunder right there is kind of the reason why I started this video in the first place. I think the worst of it was okay, yeah, this stuff seems to be dying now. Yep, this line has been alive since, yeah, I want to say about midnight or so is when this line started in the Kansas City Metro. Has isolated itself, and it slowly growed into a big line as it moved down 70, and this is where it is. Not sure if this will re-intensify as it heads towards Paducah or not. We'll have to see how that plays out. Whoa. Yeah, this is definitely weakening. They might not even want it at all anymore. If I heard hail right before I started recording too. I was looking at a video of Channel 4 News. They said maybe some penny-sized hail, but it's not severe. Haven't done one of these since November. Yeah, November. Whoa. Yeah, this is totally starting to die. Oh, that's why it remains severe. Dew points are in the upper 60s. Aha. So I think the only warning that's in effect, the only one that's in effect is Calhoun County, Illinois. And that settled out by itself. Okay, so parts of the severe thunderstorm watch have been canceled. Hang on a second again. Alright. And to the ES people watching this, sorry about the spam. I didn't plan a comp because I didn't think that this would all go down. They weren't expecting all of this, I don't think, for it to stay strong. In fact, it was only a marginal risk, so I was very surprised that the watch even went out, but I'm glad they did do it now, because these ones have been not want to die until now. Ooh. Yeah, sorry for the spam and not making a comp. I didn't plan it at all. This was not what they were calling for at all, by any means. I was only in the marginal this morning. That's why I saw the SBA. I'm like, huh? But yeah. And while there's no light and sun there, I figured I'd tell you guys the first that inspired me to record these videos is a YouTuber named Southwestern Illinois EAS. He has been doing these since, I want to say 2018. He's the one that inspired me to record these type of videos, and I've been doing it since 2022. What is that? Hold on, guys. I'm getting an alert somewhere. And what was issued. over the flood advisory. Alright. Alright, that guys, I was checking to see what alerts and some of you guys know, most of you guys know now I'm partially blind, so I have to go down there and if it's not my web, I have to see where it's for in case I have to change channels. It was just a flood advisory. Oh, is that hail? And the worst is going to pass. I'll probably end the video soon here. We have something else that just came out. We'll check that out. Statement. But the app I use, I can't view statements for some reason. So it must have been a statement from Baduka probably for this line. But whoa. Yeah, unfortunately I did miss the very beginning, which it came so fast too, but alright, looks like it's nearing the end.